Enfield Model C, which has been very nicely restored, but it has got a period WD 350 overhead valve WDCO engine in it. We have got the original engine to go with this if somebody wants to do it, but this bike just rides very well as it is. Just on our 20 mile. It's very clean, as you can see. It's got contract plates and all sorts on it, and it sounds nice. Road registered. There's Pete doing his bit of round and rounds, and he's off. This is somewhere in the south of England, near Ashdown Forest, but when we got here, we're not allowed to put motorbikes on here, so this is in the car park. Best we can do today. Sounds really nice, Pete. Okay, that'll do.